Today I'm going to share with you 10 great gift ideas for under $30 on Amazon that any tool lover, whether man, woman, no matter what age, no matter what level, whether it be a DIY guy that works on the weekends at home, all the way to a professional, would definitely be a great choice for anyone. And every tool that I put in this list will be linked below. And as with always on this channel, I try to be as 100% transparent and as 100% honest as I possibly can. All the links will be affiliate links, and should you choose to make a purchase through those links, then I will receive a small commission at no extra cost to you, and any commission or anything that I make on this channel is just put right back into this channel to try to make the quality better and to try to make the videos better, to try to help somebody out. So this list is gonna go from my least favorite to my favorite. It is in no way indicative of the quality of these tools because all these tools are of high quality, but I did have to start somewhere. So 10 is still good, 1 is still good, but 1, in my opinion, is gonna be the ultimate gift. So definitely stick around and watch all these gifts. And if you find this video informative, if you find this video helpful, then smash that like button, and also leave any type of comments, questions, or any other suggestions that someone may want to consider down in the comments to try to help somebody out. So let's get started. At number 10, I don't have this tool in front of me, but this tool is a digital tire pressure reader, and it comes in under $10 on Amazon. This is a great gift for anybody. Tire pressure is really important and really critical. It can help with fuel mileage. It can also be a safety issue. So this is a great gift for anyone to keep in their garage or even to put in the car. So this is definitely something that somebody would love to have. Coming in at number 9 is this soldering kit. This is a great kit. There's a lot of different accessories that come with this kit. It's really well priced, and anyone who works on automobiles, anyone who works on electronics, definitely would appreciate having this. Coming in at number 8 is this multi-tool screwdriver. This screwdriver serves as a lot of different functions. It has a Phillips, a straight head, it is a nut driver, it works as a T-handle. The back will allow you to loosen up certain fasteners. So it's a multi-purpose tool that's a great option for somebody to throw into their vehicle or to have inside the house or even in their toolbox. There are other options. This is a Crescent brand. There's another WERA brand that's a great tool. It's a little bit more expensive than this, but it comes with a little case that you can hold on your belt, and it's from a high quality tool manufacturer, so that's another option that will be linked below. But this is a great gift idea and also a stocking stuffer for anyone. Coming in at number 7 is a box cutter or a knife. This is a tool that everyone should have and everyone will need at some point. There's different brands, there's different price ranges, so there will be different options depending on what you want to spend, link below. But this is definitely a great stocking stuffer or gift idea for anyone. Coming in at number 6 is a set of drill bits in a hard shell case like this, or a set of impact drivers and screw kits. Now, as with everything, there's a bunch of different types of brands that you can get when it comes to something like this. And if you're here looking for a gift for someone and you don't know much about tools, if you want my opinion, go out to the garage or your partner's workstation, look at what hand tools they use, what cordless tools they use. For instance, typically the yellow tools are gonna be DeWalt tools. The red tools like this are gonna be Milwaukee tools. There's teal tools, which are Makita. There's a bunch of different types of tools. Sneak out there, take a look at what they have already, and you can buy the kit to match their cordless tool selection, because most people have a favorite tool brand, and while it may not be their favorite pick, I think it'll show a lot to just match what they have already and would be the safest option to go with. And there's also different types of drill bits that you can get, whether it be cobalt, titanium. Your titanium drill bits are going to be your more general drill bits that most people are going to use. Cobalt drill bits are more for harder materials. So if you want my opinion, just buy a set of titanium drill bits. I'm going to have a DeWalt set, a 28 piece and a 14 piece set, link below, along with some other brands just in case, which anything that I link down below is either something that I know about, something that I've used, and something that I believe is of good quality. So these are definitely a great idea for anyone, whether it be a stocking stuffer or a present. They'll definitely appreciate something like this. Coming in at number 5 is your damaged bolt and broken bolt extractor sets. Anyone who works on automobiles, anyone in the mechanical field, anyone who works on anything will at some point come across a strip bolt or a broken bolt. And when they have these are definitely indispensable when it comes to dealing with something like that. So anyone would benefit from having these, and these are great gift ideas. Coming in at number 4 are pairs of locking pliers. Now, these are commonly referred to as vice grips, but vice grips is actually a brand. There's a bunch of different types of brands of these locking pliers, and there's also different styles of these locking pliers. You just have your more traditional locking pliers that look like this, and this is actually a vice grip brand, which is a great brand. Then you have your long nose set, and you have your locking C-clamp pliers. Now, if the person you're shopping for is a welder or welds, these are great options because a person can never have too many clamps, and at some point or another, you're always gonna need a set of vice grips for something. These are really inexpensive, so these are a great gift idea and something someone will definitely appreciate. And coming in at number 3 is simply some pliers. Now, there's a bunch of different brands of pliers. In my personal opinion, the best pliers are Knipex pliers, but everybody's gonna have their own opinions, but everyone would appreciate having a set of these Cobra Pliers. These Cobra Pliers are under $30. They are high quality tools. They are professionally used everywhere. So as I said, these can be used with anyone, but there's also all types of different style pliers. You have your traditional pliers, your needle nose pliers, have your slip joint pliers. So there are a lot of options when it comes to purchasing your pliers, as well as brands. So I'm gonna link a variety of different brands below. And also, as a bonus tied into this, these are actually plier holders. Now these go in your toolbox, they'll organize your pliers. This particular brand is made in the USA. It does come in about $30. Now there are some cheaper options, there are other options, but in my opinion, these are really high quality. And anyone with a drawer full of pliers can benefit from having something like this. Not only does it organize your box better, but it also helps you keep track of your tools. If you see a slot's missing, then you know that a set of your pliers is missing, and you can look for those because everybody does deal with lost tools at some point. So that's a great option as well. If you didn't want to purchase the pliers, you could try to buy them some sort of organization like this, but everyone who uses tools appreciates a good set of pliers. So that's why these are number 3 on my list. And coming straight into number 2 is gonna be this Streamlight Pen LED flashlight. These are great. Now this particular one runs off of AAA batteries, and it's around $16 to $17 on Amazon. There is a rechargeable one that's around $30. If you wanted my opinion, I would say get the rechargeable one. It's less consumables you have to worry about. And also, if you had this out and you happen to didn't have any AAAs, you would be up the creek, as they say. But with the rechargeable one, any USB will work. It recharges it. You can use it anywhere. These are small, these fit in your pocket. Anybody who uses tools or uses flashlights, anybody could benefit from having this little flashlight. Now, Streamlight flashlights are expensive, but in my opinion, when it comes to flashlights, these are probably, if not the highest quality, one of the highest quality flashlights you can get on the market today. And me, myself, I like to have a bunch of different types of flashlights, and with the size of this flashlight, with the brightness of this flashlight, this is definitely a great idea for somebody, and they definitely would be happy to open this up. I know I would be happy. Now we're gonna come to my number 1 gift, and this is the ultimate gift in my opinion. Not only would it be funny for somebody, but anyone who's worked around cars for a long time, or anyone who's worked in the mechanical field for a long time, would definitely appreciate and get this gift. What this gift is it is a set of 10mm sockets. Now, if you don't know, maybe you're asking yourself, why would you need to buy a set of only 10mm sockets? There's a long known fact that if you work on something, if you use tools, you're gonna lose your 10mm socket at some point, some way. The 10mm socket, and it's also a long-standing joke that the 10mm always comes up missing. So not only is this a funny gift in the fact that you're gonna give somebody 10mm sockets, but they'll also have a great supply of 10mm sockets to lose at some point. This particular brand that I'm holding here is actually a Duralast brand. but there is a better brand that I'm gonna link below. It's a Gearwrench brand. Those are some high quality tools, and it's pretty well priced at $30. So I think this would be a great gift idea for any professional, any DIYer, anybody who uses tools would appreciate and be happy about getting this gift. So that's why this is my #1 ultimate gift. So there you have it. This is just my list of 10 gifts. The possibilities are limitless. And let's not forget, when it comes to the holiday season, the real reason of the holiday season is not about getting or giving gifts. It's about appreciating and loving what you have. So it all comes down to effort. It all comes down to just showing somebody you care. So that's the whole point of the holidays, in my opinion. But I appreciate you watching. As I said, if you found this video helpful, smash it with a thumbs up. If you would like to get one of these gifts, smash it with a thumbs up, because somebody may be looking to buy a gift for you, and you can also leave your recommendation down in the comments or general questions as well. I appreciate you guys watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Till next time, stay real.